Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is gonna be like a New York City vlog weekend in my life. I mean, I live in New York, but my two friends that went to school with me are visiting. So it's gonna be a fun weekend. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, all that good stuff. Hey guys!
Hi vlog! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel.
Yeah.
Love
Okay.
you.
That's
Subscribe.
the energy. Subscribe. So yeah, outfit. I'll show you my big bear. So jeans are the 90s Abercrombie. My Nike blazers, mid blazers, and this little crop top. I think it was like, I got it as a gift actually. It's not real though, but I love it. And it came cropped. And yeah, this is my outfit. And you guys saw my makeup. This lighting is just so much better, I think. But yeah, so we're gonna go get drinks, dinner, and then tomorrow we're going to Make Believe. So it's gonna be like dressier. So you guys will get like a better fit tomorrow. Follow us on Instagram. Mine is linked down below, but I'll also link theirs because we're gonna take some pictures and probably have Instagram. So check us on there. Don't mind my bed. They put all their clothes out there to pick out outfits. But yeah, that's really it. Hey guys, so just got ready. Wanted to show you my outfit. I actually got these shorts that I'm wearing yesterday. But we're going to Soho, Citizens of Gramercy for brunch, and Soho to shop. Sophie, you want to say hi? Look at here, show the outfit. Tell them where you got your outfit and shoes.
Zara, Reebok, Aritzia socks.
Okay, and then mask. Okay, Nicolette, go.
Shirt, I don't know, I got it a really long time ago. Shorts, Target, shoes, TJ Maxx. I'm a Maxxinista.
I love. And I have to flip my camera to show you. Shirt is Kif. Shorts are AGOLDE. And then I have my mid blazers on, which are like the first time I'm wearing them with shorts. But yeah, I just put my hair in a little pony. It's like 90 degrees out, so we're gonna die. But I will film when we're in Soho, and we're obviously going to New Top, so we might get some more jewelry. I feel like every vlog has a new top in it. But okay, we're going, and we'll see you probably at Citizens of that gorgeous food that we're about to eat because I'm so excited. Hey guys, we're walking. And we're on our way to Soho. We just had brunch. Oh, look how cute.
I'm making a TikTok right now.
Yeah, follow Nicolette on TikTok. What's your TikTok name?
I don't know. It'll be linked in bio.
Yeah, we'll link them in bio.
This is my third TikTok.
Yeah.
So support it.
And we're going to take some pictures because we're basic. And then we're going to shop. But I will show you our shopping hauls. The shorts I'm wearing today is what I got yesterday. We went shopping in Flatiron yesterday. So it's actually so hot, but it's also cloudy, so it's not like
It's not too
definitely
bad,
hot.
y'all.
Yeah. Sophie, what you bought yesterday, you gotta show them.
Sure.
And whatever us three buy today, we will show you later. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how I get ready for our night out, but I will show you the outfit and everything after, and hair. I'm gonna time lapse it because we're playing music. So I'm gonna speed all this up for you guys, and I can list all the products I use down below. Okay, so this is the look. Honestly, super simple. It really took me 10 minutes. But I will link everything I use down below. I'm gonna curl my hair. Honestly, it's just like this right now. I'm gonna keep my middle part, put some dry shampoo, and curl it. And then I will show you outfit, finished look. Sorry, there's music playing. Outfit, finished look, and yeah. I will link everything I use down below. Okay, I just curled my hair. It's gonna definitely fall. I hope not, honestly, by the end of the night. Actually, maybe not, but I wanted to tell you guys the products I use. I will link these down below. The Amika Volume and Matte Texture Spray and the dry shampoo, literally the best. And I'll link down my curling wand for you guys. It's a Nume wand. I think it's like the 1.25 inches or something. Yeah, this will fall a little bit. But this is the finished result. The trick is like dirty hair, put dry shampoo, spray with texture spray, and these products are the best. I will link all 3 down below and the makeup I use down below for you guys. Okay, so outfit. Top is from Urban. I can try and link it down below and find it. It's like this corset kind of top, but like it feels like silky. Jeans are Abercrombie, the 90s, and heels are from Pretty Little Thing, actually. So they're tied in the back over the jeans. And this is the look, and then I'm gonna wear my little black bag. You can come in. You want to show your outfit? And that is the outfit of the night. Say hi to the vlog, everyone. Hi.